One of the biggest challenges that many gardeners often face is figuring out what to plant and when. So today in the garden, I'm going to share my idea of a cheat code, and that's the Hoss Gardening Club. It's a monthly subscription where they send out pre-selected seeds and other things that can help you around your garden. There are 3 different levels that you can sign up for. I selected the Small Sprouts package. This isn't a sponsored video, but I am a Hoss Tools Gardening affiliate. So if you join the Hoss Gardening Club using my link down below, I'll get a small commission and you can garden along with me. The seeds packed in this month's box can handle cool temps, so they're ideal for fall planting. In the Small Sprouts package this month, I got 6 seeds, fertilizer, cool stickers, and a growing guide. So let's go over the 6 seeds that I got this month. First up this month is the Karuta carrot. This is one that I've grown before. It's a medium-sized carrot, bright orange, and grows really well in raised beds. If you've grown carrots before, you might know that they can be really tricky to germinate. They require loose soil that is moist but well draining. For the first 2 weeks, as you're waiting for your carrot seeds to germinate, be sure to water them at least 2 times a day. To make things even easier for us, Haas has included seed tape. If you haven't grown with seed tape before, I'll show you what it looks like. The seeds are embedded in these strips of paper, and you just stretch them out for whatever length that you need and lay them gently in place. As you can see, the seeds are already spaced out so that you do much less thinning than you would if you're in traditional planting. As you water the seed tape dissolves. And as an added benefit, Haas has blended 14-14-14 fertilizer in with the seed tape, so it feeds your plants as well. This is my second year growing with seed tape, and I've become a big fan. I found it especially helpful for growing root crops because they can be really sensitive to spacing. Next up in the box, we have 2 varieties of lettuce seed tape. First is the baby leaf greens mix, and second is the oak leaf salad bowl mix. With the baby leaf greens mix, think of this as your kind of gourmet salads. It includes a variety of colors that spans anywhere from light to dark green all the way to red. It also includes lots of texture that keep your salads interesting. These germinate really quickly and you'll be ready to harvest in as little as 30 days. The oak leaf lettuce mix is a blend of crunchy red and green leaves. These have the traditional oak leaf shape. They also blend really well with the baby lettuce greens mix. And even though we're growing these using seed tape, both blends can be grown indoors or out in raised beds or containers. So there's lots of variety here. Next up in the box is the white Lisbon bunching onion. This is a fast-growing, mild-flavored bunching onion. It thrives in a wide range of soil conditions and can tolerate heat or cold temps, so it's another good pick for fall. These are typically ready to harvest in anywhere from 60 to 100 days. It produces the long green stems and the small white bulbs. They're ideal for salads and other cooking. If you want to get a gardening win under your belt, this next pick is for you. It's the French breakfast radish. I always recommend growing radishes to new gardeners, even if you're not sure that you like radishes. They're super easy to germinate and they're ready to harvest anywhere from 20 to 30 days. When I first started gardening a few years ago, radishes was one of the first things that I grew, and they really helped boost my confidence and help me keep going. The French breakfast radish produces a red and white bulb that's a little bit longer than some of the others like the cherry bell. Harvest them early though, and don't let them stay in too long because they can get woody and the flavor can get a little stronger and they don't taste as good after that. Due to the mild flavor, these are great for salads or just eating by themselves. Sometimes I will like to saute them though and add them to other dishes. The next crop in this month's box is the purple top turnip. This is one of my all-time favorite crops to grow. Like many root crops, these are a great choice because you get 2 harvests in one, meaning you can eat the greens and the roots. The roots for these are going to be bicolor. They're going to have a purple shoulder and a white bottom. When cooked, they produce a sweet, earthy flavor that I really enjoy. It's recommended that you harvest these when the roots are about 3 to 4 inches in size. If you leave them in the ground too long, they can get to be 6 inches or larger. At that point, though, they don't taste nearly as good as they would if you harvested them earlier. The roots and greens combined make a dish that's a Southern staple. The trick though is that the greens actually taste better if they've been exposed to some cooler weather and even a frost. A mild flavor, a mild frost enhances the sweet flavor that makes them taste just that much better. The seed tape ensures that our spacing is already there for us, so just make sure that you harvest them at the right time. They're typically going to be ready to mature in about 50 to 60 days. So I've shown you the crops that are included in this month's box. Next up, I'll show you the fertilizer that they included. It's the Dr. Joe Growing Bubble Fertilizer. This is an all-purpose plant fertilizer that's great for vegetables. The NPK is 18-5-10. I like these tablets because they're really easy to use. You just take the tablet, drop it in a gallon of water, give it a good stir to dissolve, and it's ready for fast feeding your plants. Each tablet covers about 100 square feet in your garden. This is going to help us produce strong, healthy plants throughout the growing season. So that's what's included in this month's Small Sprouts box. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to continue to learn and grow with us. See you in the next video.